So it's late afternoon. So I had a guy in the comments ask me about my truck. You know, do a kind of a walk around with the truck. So what this is a 2018, and it's dirty, y'all. So I'm just doing this on the spur of the moment. It's a 2018 F250. It's got the 6.2 liter gas. And my thoughts on this truck is a beast. I've never had one issue with it at all. Not like a lot of the horror stories you see on some of the other YouTube people with their Ford trucks. Of course, this is a gas, a 6.2 liter. It's got well, it's just got regular seats in it, and it's dirty, so y'all just have to take that into consideration. Everything in it works. I never had a problem with anything. I mean, I don't know what else to say about it. It's not great on gas at all. It's probably 10 miles through the gallon. This cover right here came on it, and I like it, man, because otherwise a lot of stuff gets thrown in the truck. Now the backup was full of stuff, but you know, but you can lock it and all and set the alarm. So yeah, the bumper on it is not a factory bumper. I put that bumper on it after I got the truck. Well, it just makes it look, and when the truck cleans up, it cleans up really nice. But we've had well, it's been really dry here, and then we've had rain the last what 3 days. It's been pretty, you know, pretty bad with rain. So yeah, but other than that, man, I cannot cry about this truck. Like I said, I haven't had any issues with it or nothing. It's been a beast, and I haven't had it not pull anything that I've wanted to pull. It pulls the Bobcat around like nobody's business. And to be honest with y'all, my mechanic told me when I was looking for a truck that, and I've had this truck about, what, 3 years or so. My mechanic told me that when I was looking for a truck, he said, Ray, you don't need no damn diesel truck for what you do. You just don't, man. They make these gas trucks these days, y'all, so much more efficient and all. Used to back in the day, you know, you had to have a diesel to get good power. Not no more. My mechanic's like, hey man, it costs a lot to maintain a diesel, and you know, and a lot can go wrong. So yeah, and this is the full 4-door. I don't really know what else to say about it. A set of tires on this thing are about 1,500 bucks for those tires, those Cooper tires I got, something like that. And it's dirty, man. Golly, I'm seeing how dirty it is right now. Look at all that road. Look, damn. What else? You know, I got that hitch from one of the companies that reached out to me. But yeah, there's really nothing really to it. As far as the inside goes, it really doesn't have any of the bells and whistles like you would think in a Denali or whatever. But it does have GPS, and it has, you know, Bluetooth, all the standard stuff. So, and it's a Super Duty F250, man. I love it, man. And it has been nothing but good to me, so I can't say nothing bad about it. Also, now on to another subject, y'all. So yesterday, I washed the Bobcat. I didn't, you know, I didn't want no trouble. All I was doing was gonna, you know, change the oil filter, the air filter, and everything. So you guys know that the Bobcat, well, it caught on fire about a year ago. Okay, it caught on fire, and yeah, so and that's what happened to some of the wiring harnesses. Everything worked. So after it caught on fire and we got the fire out, I took it straight to the dealer. And the dealer had me, you know, I left it with him for about a week. And they went through the whole machine. This is what he told me. They went through the whole machine. Everything looked good. You know, there were some wires that were a little crispy, but not nothing that they were concerned about it running. Okay, so I'm like, cool, man. And they charged me like $2,000 or something like that. Okay, so yesterday I changed the oil and everything, and that oil right there is what I spilled when I was coming out. You know, the Bobcat has like the X-Mark mowers. It's got, you know, one of these, but I missed the bucket. And but anyway, yeah. So I'm minding my own business. I don't want no trouble and none of that, man. So I buy, you know, I buy an air filter, and like I always, when I usually buy the air filter, I never get the center core one, right? Because, well, the center core one's usually in pretty good shape, but not this time. So I want y'all to see what a Mac Daddy Bobby is. And Bobby's been running great. Y'all know Bobby's been running great. Ever since the fire. I haven't had any mechanical issues, you know, since it caught on fire. Right? So good. It don't run hot, it don't smoke, nothing. It's just running great, man. So when I take the old air filter out to put the new air filter in, look at what look y'all. Now, I don't know about y'all, but that air filter looks like it's burnt, and that's the core one. That's what it's supposed to look like. There ain't even no paper. It burned, and they did not even change the air filter or tell me to change it. I didn't know, man. I guess it's my fault because I should have. You know, I've only put probably, I don't know how many hours, but not very many since it caught on fire. Minimal work, you know, of it actually running. Y'all see that, man? Look at that. That is freaking just terrible. I mean, that's probably worse than no air filter because it's going to be sucking all this stuff up in there, all the fragments and all. I don't know, man. I'm surprised the damn thing's running at all. But it's got 4,100 hours on it, and yeah. So needless to say, I had already bought this filter, but I didn't have this one, so I can't really close the machine back up until I get the inner core one. But having this one on there without an inner core is better than this, right? Stupid shit, man. So it's another thing that, you know, as a Bobcat owner, you got to watch out for. Even this thing got melted, you know. So yeah, it's crazy, man, but that's what it is, man. So I mean, yeah.